Do you know what a vlog is? Vlog is a form of blog for which the medium is video. It can be the one way to help record our life, what we love and what we are grateful for. In this video, I would like to share some tips and skills about filming and editing a vlog. All you need is a mobile device and your creative soul. First, to have a good video, you have to film it without hand shaking. If there is a need, you can buy a phone stand to make sure the video is steady. For high quality video, we can choose 4K at 16 FPS. For clear picture, sufficient light is essential too. If you want your photo to have another style, sufficient light may not be necessary. There are lots of free apps for editing videos. In this video, I would like to talk about InShot. Once you open the app, just click video and select any video you like. Here, I want to edit the footage I take at school. Then click this tick button and create a project. Now we can see all the videos we need to edit. When we click the canvas, we can choose the video ratio and size. We can also choose different color backgrounds. We can also trim, rearrange, duplicate, and even delete the videos we click. For filters, the adjustment varies depending on which style you like. Here I adjust highlights, shadows, contrast, and brightness. You can also choose the filter it offers. There are lots of options available. However, there is no absolute correct formula, so just start to discover your style. For the transition, we can use animations to make it look more fun. Here I use the circle one. For the background music, we can go to the files and upload the music that we want to use. We can also adjust the volume. Remember to click fade in and out the BGM. It will sound more natural. We can also put some sound effect in the font. I like using the button and click sound effect because I think they are cute. Next is stickers. This is where you can get free stickers. There are many selections, so try more and find what you like. For text, there are lots of text types available too. If you click the text, you will see more features such as font size, the format, etc. Again, there is no absolute correct formula, so just do what you like. However, I recommend adding shadow or backgrounds to the texts to make them more readable. PIP button represents picture in picture. We can add photos, GIF, and videos through this button.
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish, no Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother, like where you at tonight, got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden eye. Oh, you slow down time in your golden.
At the end of this video, I want to mention that everyone's first time editing may not be perfect. Remember to keep practicing and keep records of some life moments you like, such as having afternoon tea with your friends and the sea which you like to see. Then you will find out your special style. Everybody's life is unique. Try more and you will know what you love, what you are grateful for.